Hello everyone, I am in City Park in New Orleans and I'm going to be taking drone shots again because I had bad shots from last time I came. I'm redoing it, and this time I'm gonna vlog rather than do photography. I will be having those photos up shortly on Instagram, so check me out on there. There's always a lot of photographers around. That was cool because I kind of blended in last time just doing photography. Look, the little train from the amusement park is coming over. But yeah, so there's an amusement park. They're all saying hi to me. That's pretty cool. So yeah, there's this train from the amusement park that comes out and just goes around the park, which is pretty cool. I actually looked up the price, is like $5 to get on that train. I was so tempted to do it, and it's gone. But that was the first time. It's funny. It's like some kid was like, "Hello, vlogger." I mean, I just kind of started-ish, kind of. I don't know. So I was just there, doing drone shots around this area, just flying around. But that right there is cool, which gives me time to go in there and actually fly my drone through it, which is what I really wanted to do. But while that is happening, I'm just gonna keep walking around. Right now, there's a lot of people in this park, and it's because of Pokemon Go. There's some sort of event, I don't know what it is, but there's so many people just on their phones catching Pokemons. I mean, I played it before, but actually when I first played it, I was actually in Japan when it first got launched, which is pretty cool. But I stopped playing, plus I don't even know what happened to my account, so I stopped trying to find it. Like, if you see all these patches of people everywhere, they're all playing the game. Like,
oh my god.
All that. There's even a tent. Oh my gosh, there's a tent that people are even playing in right now. I don't know what that is, but it could be. I have no clue what that is, but everyone's on their phone in there as well, and I see them the way they're swiping the phone. Definitely, for sure, they are playing the Pokemon game. So I don't know when this happens, but last time I actually came, I saw a person actually rowing this with a couple, but I don't know when that usually happens. But it'll be pretty cool because pretty much what I saw last time was he row you right from here all the way down here, all the way across to the other side, just going under all the bridges and everything. Next time I might come and check it out. But that right in front of me in a little bit is actually the botanical garden. I would like to check it out, but not now, just because I still gotta fly my drone. Because like I said, there's footage that I really liked last time, but I was unable to use those footages, and that's really bad. And I'm gonna do it right around here. Like, this spot is super dope, and last time I got some nice shots. This whole entire field is really cool. So that's what I'm gonna do. Start flying my drone right now. kind of moving back and forth because it's a little bit windy right now, and I could kind of see on the screen too. Not too well, but get the point. There's it's quite some wind today, which is actually really nice here, but not so great for drone. There we go. That's what I was saying earlier. I guess it's around like, let's see what time it is. It's around 4. So I guess around like close to evening time, that's when he rows. And I mean, he's earning money from just rowing couples or whoever, and also he's also taking pictures of them as well. And earlier, the area that I was passing by has a lot of people now. Like, there's so many people. I'm actually gonna go and actually see what is going on over there. I'm not sure what it is. Excuse me? Why is everyone gathered around here?
Because they're about to do a raffle.
For I don't know what's going on.
We're all playing Pokemon Go.
And that's kind of part of it too?
Yeah.
You just buy
Okay.
No, you don't buy stuff.
Alright, it's like I was walking earlier here and there's like,
Yeah.
alright, it's pretty cool. So indeed, it is for Pokemon Go, and it's a raffle going on there. I don't know what exactly. I don't play it anymore, so I won't know, and I won't get to know. Alright, I think I found the perfect bridge to actually fly my drone. That is high enough where I am not gonna hit the water or the bridge, and I'm able to see it from here. Too bad my drone ran out of battery. If not, like, it cleared up a little bit more, you know, there's a lot more space that I could actually use for my drone to actually fly in here. But I mean, what can I do now? I mean, no battery. I could charge it in my car, but I don't think I bought my car charger for the drone. Alright, I'm officially heading home now, but I will catch you guys on the next video.